Let's talk about the abstract class in Kotlin. As in previous lecture, we have learned about the interfaces. Now we are going to learn about the abstract class in the Kotlin. Let's learn it. So what is abstract class in Kotlin? An abstract class in Kotlin is one that is designed to be subclass and cannot be instantiated. That means we cannot instantiate an abstract class concrete. It contain concrete method, the method with a body, and abstract method without a body can both be found in an abstract class. The abstract keyword must be used in front of the class in Kotlin to declare an abstract class. We cannot construct an object for an abstract class. That means we cannot create an object of an abstract class. Object of a subclass can be created. We cannot create the object of the parent class here. Abstract class helps in encapsulating common logic and behavior shared among multiple related classes. This promotes code reuse and helps in maintaining a constant design across the subclasses. Basically, abstract class help in achieving the abstraction concept of OOPS language. So here is the syntax of abstract class. Abstract class name. Let's understand it by creating one code. Let's open the IntelliJ IDEA. Right click and create new class, new Kotlin class file, and name it as number. Now this class is now abstract. To make it abstract, put the keyword abstract before the class name. Abstract. Here, what's the keyword abstract? Now create one abstract function over there, abstract fun, and I name it at calculation cal, and put here x of type int and y of type integer. Now here is the return type will be int. It is abstract function. Now create one class which will extend this abstract class. Here I create one class add, and it will extend number. It is saying to override the methods. Let's click in and implement the members. Click OK. Now the method has been overridden. Move this message. Now return the statement, return x plus y. Okay. Now create another class. This is first class, and close this class, and create another class over there. Class subtraction extend number. It is saying to implement the member. Implement the members. Click OK. Now return here. Return x minus y. Close this class and create one function fun main over there. Let's try to create the object of the abstract class first. Val number is initialized to number. Let's create the object here, and you can see here I am getting error that cannot create instance of an abstract class as we have read this earlier. Let's cut this. Now create another class multiplication extends number. Now implement the members. Okay. Now return here, return x into y. Let's go inside the main function. Now create the instance of a child class here. val add, and here you can see I have created the object of this child class and pass some parameter over there, or you can store it inside one variable. Let's create one variable val x1, and using it object call the method add dot calculate and pass two parameter 5 comma 6. Now print the message println sum is dollar $x1. Now create instance of second class val sub is initialized to sub. Now create one another variable val x2 initialized to sub dot calculate pass to parameter 10 comma 5 and print a message println subtraction is dollar x2, like this. Now also create object of third class where multiply is assigned to multiplication. Now create another variable val x3 is initialized to multi dot calculate pass to number 5 comma 3. Now print a message println multiplication is let's run it. As you can see, I have successfully compiled the program. The sum is 11, the subtraction is 5, and the multiplication is 15. Hope you understand the concept of the abstract classes.